Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today we're going to be looking at some of the best student loan apps. Well, there's nothing to look at, honestly. If you want to get a student loan, you take it out from the bank. You don't trust some app because you just don't trust them. With a bank, at least you can ask around and see what the interest rate is like and if it's trustworthy or not. But when it comes to mobile application, it's not really trustworthy, as there's multiple things behind the scenes that we won't really have much control of or information regarding. So the best option is find yourself a reliable bank, go to that bank, ask them for a student loan, take it out, and study hard and become a successful businessman, doctor, or whatever it is you want to be. Go for it. But if you want to get a student loan, get it from a bank. That's my advice to all of you. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.